attention.
Contestant Taraga Taretagi Hingminasi Koi Haina Seho Wadugumba Manipura Kundariba Purup Singh Amata Oina Chetna Amata Webagi Nipunda Punbagi Wakalon the Dugumbese Kudol Tambike.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the purpose of Miss Manipur. Well, the purpose of Miss Manipur is to empower Manipuri women to take them out of their shell and giving them chance to discover their potential through a competitive yet collaborative effect. Help them in building confidence through professional and various opportunities.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, tonight you'll witness the contestants in 3 rounds that we have tonight. The first will begin with the traditional round, followed by casual round, and the final round where you'll get to see the contestants in the evening gown.
Ngasigi school ba Sakhenbi Changdam Nabagi Tauram Miss Manipur 2017 asi punna round ahum hana koi me taminagani ahan bada Nat Koi Bapizolda Sakhenbi Singh asna Miam Mamanga Lake Topirakani Ani Subada casual round Hariba rounds days da contestant Singna Magi introduction Bibigani Aduga ahum Subada track away formal round evening gown round Pangtok Labumatunda top 10 Lokat Laga top 5 Lokat Laga written Tauram Matunda Kwegi winner sing asi Kangminagani Asigi Sungaba Miss Manipur 2017 ki Tauramda Punna subtitles Taret Lantok Bigani and the winners of course Ahum Sida Makok Matang Tabadugumba winners Premium Sukso Ramaki Haki Matunda Kangba Hauragani Haizabatare Miam Puna Gamina to Sukso Ramki Lagani Hai.
And ladies and gentlemen, today's competition will begin with 17 contestants who are competing for the Miss Manipur 2017 crown.
Yes, everyone. Tonight, we have an esteemed panel of judges who will be judging the contestant tonight. We will have the introduction of the judges in a short while.
Ngasigi school ba Miss Manipur 2017 gi Changdam Nabasida Punna Jury Mangana Hariba contestant sing asigi Laizari Bamagi quality sing adu marking Tobigani Aduga Equigi jury sing si Amamam Tang Kausinjana Mayam the Saktak Chegedubu Saktak Sabagaloidana since the Langzari was singing my Kay get Chamakudul put among Tampiduna Kaikum Nazabikitanjas Logzagatabadina Jury sing Kautok setting a Mangway and Naikoina Jury sing a Sibu Hikaiku Nabigida Miss Manipur Organizing Committee Managing Director Halley Laithangbam Manager Sonia Pairembam Chief Coordinator Ras Kumar Somio Amadi General Secretary Robert Angong Atang Matang Lengtok Piraklaga Equina Jury Kosin Jabasda Jury Singwikai Kumnabagi Tanzaru Lawidana Bahangachagi Jury Punna Mangani Aduga Equi Jury Singsi Amamam Tang Miamda Saktak Nabagi Tanzado Lozage to Mapu Saktak Sabakaluina Equina Jury Singasida Chambakudol Port Memento Batch Amadi Lingan Kusin and Zabagi Tanzado Lona Bugidamak Miss Manipur Organizing Committee Office Bearers in now Manda Link Topirak Laga Jury Singasibu Kai Kunabagi Tanzado Lobby Haina Mukana Hanjik Nagachagi.
Once again, we'd like to request J. Sonia Pairembam and Halley Laithangbam to please come on the stage to have honor to felicitate our respected judges. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to introduce our sparkling members of our jury. And they are, first of all, I would like to call on the stage R.K. Meme, IPS, Deputy Inspector General of Police, CID Crime Branch and Director, Fire Service.
Yes, everyone says our first jury of tonight, R.K. Meme, IPS, Deputy Inspector General of Police, CID Crime Branch and Director, Fire Service.
Miss Manipur organizing committee ke maikai dagi kasi ga hama jury da badge bouquet amari memento kusine biduna kai khumna zabagi tanjaru luxury.
Let's now welcome our second jury of tonight. Please put your hands together and welcome Dr. Thiam Sonia. She's a doctor by profession, fashion and beauty blogger and influencer by passion, and she's the founder of the clothing line Sakura. A huge round of applause for Dr. Thiam Sonia.
Dr. Thiam Sonia asigi ani suba jury oina kausin zabaga loina sinza langzari basigi maikai dagi achamba khudol pot badge bouquet amadi memento kusine zabagi tanza luxury.
And here we are presenting a badge, bouquet and a memento.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the third jury for tonight is a design consultant in Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. And she is, of course, a very popular, renowned face in fashion industry of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, please put up your hands together for Memyo Ningombi.
And the fourth jury member is Reena Ahanthim, fashion designer from Delhi and brand director of Avinav Mishra.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Reena Ahanthim.
She is again a well-known designer from Manipur.
Presenting a local made badge, a memento, bouquet and a certificate.
Let us now welcome a final jury member for tonight. She is none other than Dr. Kesam Sobita Devi. She's a retired director, art and culture, chairperson, Manipur State Commission for Women. And she's also presently working as member of Secretary of Heritage Foundation of Mankind. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Kesam Sobita Devi.
Ang buoy biyu hai na jury sita amuk ka handa thamjari.